Hi guys, good evening. Today we will learn about the screen flow. Screen flow is basically used as a lightning component page. With the help of that we are able to create a record. If you see the standard account record page, here you will see one button that is a new component. By using this button we are able to create a record on that particular account. Okay, if we want to add the contact on that particular relevant account, that time we just use that button. Okay, which is just one click away to create a contact. Okay, by using the action, this is work as action currently. Okay, but this is for the standard functionality which is already available. But what if you want to be develop this functionality for any of the custom object? Okay, so this is the same function like this is the lightning component. Okay, these are all standard functions. Here you can also see for the new case. Okay, which is also looks like a lightning component. New node, which is also looks like a component, means these are the standard functionalities provided by the Salesforce to create a record from the account record. Okay, but what if you use the any custom object, and if you want to add the record from that custom object by using the button? Okay, like a same process, you just add one button here. Okay, for example, there is a one custom object student. Okay, so you can just add here one button, add student. After the clicking on that button, you are able to add that particular student on that account record. So how this process will happen without using the lightning component? Okay, so for that we can use the screen flow, which is flow is an automation tool which is used to perform different type of automation operations into the Salesforce. So first today we will see about the screen flow, how to create the record by using the screen flow. Okay, here from the setup, just click on the home page and search here flow. After click on the flow name and just click here the new flow. After that, this window will be open. Here you can see there are the different types of the flow options provided by the Salesforce. One is the screen flow, then record trigger flow, then schedule trigger flow, then platform event trigger flow, then auto launch flow, and the record trigger orchestration flow. So today we will learn about the screen flow. Just click on the screen flow button and create. Okay. So this is the start element of the screen flow. When we are click on the button, that time this flow is getting start. Okay, so this is by using the button and the action. So our requirement is just create record. Okay, we will perform. Here you can see there the add button. Okay, we will add one new button, that is add contact. Okay, by using the flow we will add the contact on this account. Okay, without using standard functions. So this is the same process will be happen to the custom objects also. Okay, so here right now we are performing that create operation on the contact object record. Okay, for contact object, then here you can see there is a start element. This is a plus button which is used to add the elements. Okay, here after the click on this, here you can see the add element. First of all, we need to be input the values to create a record. So we need a one window like a lightning component where we can insert our values. Okay, so for that requirement, here we are using the screen element. Just click on screen. So what are the different fields we need to be used here? Just go to the contact account, because we don't know what is the important fields are there. Okay, so just see the fields and use this. Here you can see in the on this window, which is a new screen. Here we have to add our fields by which we have to create a record. Okay, and these are the input fields or the data types are there. By using this, we will insert our data into the contact to create a record. Okay, first of all we need to use the name. Okay, here you can see one name element is there. Just drag this and drop here, drag and drop. You can see here name, first name, last name. For that, this is the flow label. Okay, we are using the flow label that contact add contact. Okay, so API name is also there. So this is the first name. When we are clicking here, I am putting the API name is name here. Okay, disable is false. First name, I am creating one new resource that is variable and put the name API name is first name. Okay, select the data type as a text and available for input. Click on done. Okay, so name is label is first name. Okay, then last name, create one new variable that is last name. Select a data type text available for input and done. Okay, salutations, we are not using this. Anyone salutation options, these are the options are there. Okay, which is already available. So after that, the first name last name is added. We have to add the email because email field is also there. Yes, phone field is also there. We are using the phone here. Okay, so phone, put the API name phone. Okay, label is phone. Here we can use the pattern placeholder text means here you can see the placeholder text. If you are not putting any data, so it is showing some the format. Okay, so I am not going to be put here. Read only means you know about that. Nobody will be able to edit this field once we put this. If you want to make this field is required, then click yes or no. Okay, where we don't want this, I am putting it blank, and for value just create a new resource like text, put value phone, data type text available for input, done. Okay, then next one is we have to use the email. We have to add the email. Just click on email here. I put here the name, API name is email. Okay, then create one variable email, select a data type text available for input and done. Okay, then after that we have to add that contact on that particular account. Okay, we know there is one relationship between the account and contact, and if you want to put the name means if you want to add that contact on that particular account, okay, so we have to also put the means here we also need to be insert a value on that account object. Okay, so here, so there is a relationship between, there is a lookup relationship. Yes, I am taking there the lookup relationship, lookup. Okay, if there is a relationship component, we have to use the lookup here. Just click on lookup, then put here name is account. Okay, so what is the account? We know the API name, the field API name. Just go here, object manager. We have to create the contact. Okay, just say, just search here contact, open this contact, go to the fields and relationship. See here, what is the name, API name of the account? That is account ID. Copy this and paste here. Okay, this is the API name. Put the label account name. Okay, account name. What is the object API name? Object API name of the contact. Here you can see into the details. API name is contact. Then put this name here. Okay, record ID. Required? Not. After that, which fields is required? Email is done. First name, last name is done. Account is done. Phone number is done. Then yes, lead source. Okay. So if you want to add the lead source here, lead source is a pick list field. Here you can see. Lead source is the pick list field. Okay, if you want to add the pick list field into the screen flow, here is a one data type is already available, that is a pick list. Take this here, drag and drop, put the label, that is what is the name, that is a lead source. API name automatically, data type is a text. Okay, there here you can see the configure choice. Let's user select multiple options. Okay, so here we are just using the means we are just selecting the one field, so this value should be no. So component type is pick list. Okay, so choice, we need to be add the new choice resource. Okay, here you can see one option that is pick list choice sets. Okay, click on here, then put the name lead source, select the object, which object is there, that is contact. Contact, select a contact, data type is a pick list, field, which field is there, that is lead source. Okay, which order you want, we are using the default one, that is done. Okay, this is added, we are not using the any default value. Okay, so this is the footer. Here I want to add the value that is only save record, and I want to remove this pause and previous button and change the name of the finish. Just click on the configure footer here, use the custom label for the finish, type save here, this is save, and hide previous and hide pause. Okay, so we use first name, last name, account name, email, phone, and lead source. Okay, just click on here. Okay, API name is already emails, so phones. Okay, done. So save this flow, that is create contact record from account using action button. Okay, save this. So here we added our one screen component by which we are inserting the values, correct? So here add on this plus button, here just type the create record, click on the create record, put the label create contact record. Okay, here if you want to be create the multiple, for multiple we need to use the record collection. Okay, but here we are just creating the one record. So how to set the record fields, we are using the separate values. So click on separate resource, select the object on, okay, is a contact, we have to create the record of the contact, select the field, we have to merge the first name. Okay, so take this first name, here you can see the label, not a screen component, that is variable, that is first name, add last name. Here you can also use name, here you can see name, last name. Okay, from here we can also use, here you can just see here the name element is there, name which is contain first name, just select this, no issue, because we just created the variable for this. So email is there, just email, use the variable email, use this. Then phone, phone is there, then the variable phone is here. Okay, or instead of this we can also use the screen component, like if I remove this, just email, I use the screen component email. Okay, I just click here and set the value, then after that screen component phone, here select the value. Okay, and after that I manually assign the variable, here I will create new resource, that is the record choice set, where is the record id, create a text. Okay, done, then done, then save. Okay, and active this, so our flow is activated. Just go to the page layout, open the object manager and account. Okay, go to the button links and actions. Button links and actions. Click on new action because we have to invoke that particular flow by using the action. Then click a flow. Here you can see the name of our flow is automatically came here. Add the label for the action. Add contact. Okay, done. So click on save button. This is added. Open account. Go to the page layout. Go to the account layout. Okay, here you can see mobile actions, mobile and lightning actions. Click on the mobile and lightning actions. Here, see here, this is our add contact button is there. Drag this and drop this into the Salesforce mobile and lightning experience actions. Here, click on save. Okay, this is done. Go to the account. Click on account record, any account record. Here you can see our add contact button is visible here. Just click on add contact button. You can see these fields, name of the fields. Put the name here, that is the Sanganaki cloud. Okay, select the account on which is the account. Okay, so we can also use the by default this account ID. Okay, but here only this is available. Put the name, that is sanganaki@gmail.com. Phone, putting this phone number, and lead source is web. Phone inquiry. Okay, just save the record. Here you can see one, go to the accounts. Sanganaki cloud is added. Go to the details. Okay, so this account is created. Okay, so like this we can use this screen flow. Okay, this account record is created. Let's go to the flow here by using this add contact. Go to the account name. Okay, I think we not merge this account name field here into the create contact record. Correct? Yes. That's why this value is not come. Let's get the account ID here. Use the screen component lookup, that is select the ID and done. Save as, save and activate. Okay. Because we forget to add this field. So go to here on accounts. Only check another account, that is the this one. Add the add contact button. Here you can see already one is there, that is Sanganaki cloud solution. Select the account here, Dixon, that is sanganaki@gmail.com. Then put phone number. Select the lead source web and save. Here, see here. This contact is added on this particular account. Click here and see the details. Whatever the details we are provided are came here. That is account owner. The name is came here. Account name is came here. Then phone is there. Email is there. Okay. I think we also forget to use the lead source here. Yes, correct. Okay. We also forget to use the lead source. Sorry. Lead source. Use this lead source. Done. Save as, save and activate once again. Okay, here now go to the any new account, select new account, then edge communication, then add contact, put the name, T Raja, select account that is Edge Communication, then T Raja @gmail.com, take the phone number, okay, select the lead source that is phone inquiry, save. Here you can see the T Raja, his account is added here, contact is added here on this account. I click on this T Raja and go to the details here. Now here you can see the lead source is come, email is come, phone number is come, account number and name is come. Okay, so these all details, whatever the details we are provided, are populated into the contact, and this contact is attached, means this contact is attached to that particular account. Okay, by just selecting this. So like this we can use this screen flow to add the record on any particular other objects record. Okay, so there is no need to use the lightning component. Okay, so by using that screen flow, easily we can do that operations. Okay, so this will be helpful to all you guys. Okay, this is all about for today. We will continue with the screen flow into our next session. Yeah, thank you, bye.